Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you a formula in Excel that shows you the entire formula text. So essentially, let's say you have a formula and you're just sick of clicking on the cell to see what it says. What you can do is something very easy. You just do formula text. We're going to hit tab and it's going to autofill for us. All you have to do is click on the cell that you want, close parentheses, hit enter. And then it's going to show you, as you can see, it's the exact same formula. So it's there ready to review, take a look. This obviously is a very, very simple formula, a sum formula for the data table I have off to the left here, but it shows you how it works and how easy it is. Let's say, you want to see it, you can make changes to it. It's a little bit easier to go that route. Or let's say you have some data here and you're looking at Midwest. Midwest should be generating something. You can see that there's a little error. It's different from the other formulas. Rather than like go back and forth and look, okay, here's this one, which can be a bit of a headache. You can compare the two. So what we could do, we can just click and drag this one down, or again, we can equals formula text, then select that cell. And you can see it's not going to give us an error message because technically it's not wrong, but we can see it's not giving us what we want. So we can do is we have our two cells now side by side, and we can go ahead and take a look and examine them, and we can say, okay, we've got our sum if, and we can see that the top one is generating data from the C range, and the second one is the Z range. So if we were to click on it, we can see, okay, yeah, there's the error. We just need to drag this over to our the correct C column and hit enter there, and it's going to fix it. So now we can see that those two formulas match. So now we should be in business and good to go. So hopefully that is helpful. It's helped me a time or two in my career, and hopefully this will help you as well. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.